Well, now to some Consumer 10. The advanced child tax credit gave parents a lot of extra money in their pockets, especially during a time of uncertainty.
And now filing your taxes might feel a little tricky. Consumer 10's Clay Gordon is walking us through it.
Hey, some families are confused on if more money is on the way or if any needs to be paid back. Consumer 10 went to the experts to see what the child tax credit did for Ohio families.
For those who opted in, it was $300 per month for 6 months.
90% of families across the country used at least some of that money for their basic expenses, things like food, rent or mortgage payments, clothing for their children and for their families, utility payments.
We are learning what it looked like here in Ohio.
It's estimated that over 270,000 Ohio children were either lifted out of poverty or closer to being out of poverty thanks to those payments in 2021.
For some families, it was an advancement of $3,600 for children ages 5 and under, $3,000 for children 6 to 17 years old, but they only received half so far. The other half is expected to come back with your tax refund.
So the IRS, they're mailing out a letter. It's called it's a 6419 letter, and it just shows the amount of the advanced child tax credit that the receiving taxpayer received in 2021.
For those who didn't qualify for the child tax credit and received money, they will have to pay it back. And if there are differences between what the letter says and how much money you received, call the IRS. But experts say the IRS is still facing delays from last year's refunds.
This year, be patient.
The Center for Community Solutions says all eligible people should still file so they don't miss out on other tax breaks offered from the government.
There's also the earned income tax credit for working families and working Ohioans, and millions of dollars are left on the table every year when people don't claim all the tax credits that they're eligible for. So first and foremost, we are encouraging everyone to file your taxes.
Some riveting stuff there, we know. But this is what you need to know. The IRS rolled out this brand new website called childtaxcredit.gov, where you could actually check to see your eligibility, how much you have been owed, how much you should be receiving to. All you do is you go through it, you click around, it asks you all these questions. We will post this on our website too, but that will help you as you move through tax season. Guys?
I think that seems like a better option than calling the IRS. Somehow I don't think they're going to pick up.
No, and they're having major staffing shortages right now too.
Yep.
So if they even answer your phone, it might even get dropped at some point. So this might be your best bet right now.
Great website. Thanks, Clay.